My name is Mahesh Sadarangani, and I'm the CEO at Philz Coffee. Philz Coffee was founded more than 20 years ago in San Francisco, California. We have 3 lines of business. We have 70 retail shops. One of the things as a leader that really drives me and that helps me make a company better is having people, process, and technology. You got to have the right people to help lead and run and manage the company. And then you've got to have process, like how do you make the coffee? How do you do things? And then you have to have technology overlaying your people and your process to make things go smoother. And that's where ServiceChannel comes in for our business at Philz Coffee.
My name is Rob George, and I'm Facilities Manager at Philz Coffee. We have approximately 500 work orders in one phase of progress at any given time. So ServiceChannel helps us organize, communicate back to our stores, manage our vendors, and also keep us on our toes in terms of timeline. It really keeps us from having 9 million spreadsheets, but it also allows us to communicate accurate and timely information to our team in real time. I oftentimes will use ServiceChannel during a meeting to generate a report that most folks are surprised to see because of the ease of pulling data from the platform. Another deciding factor of choosing ServiceChannel was our vendor support of ServiceChannel and the ease in which they could use the platform to support us in a stronger way.
With ServiceChannel, I can actually, for all the tickets and all the incidents our frontline team members enter in the system, I get weekly reporting that tells me it's restrooms, it's our ovens, it's our plumbing at our stores, it's our flooring. If we have an asset tag on an item, I can get it on the item. So we can better understand what's the problem in our business today and make better business decisions.
I like to joke about facilities being the worst job I ever loved, but ServiceChannel is at the core of my learning and my continued progress with Philz and Philz facilities.
If we're offering a premium product, we want to have a premium service and a premium partner like ServiceChannel to help complete the whole people process technology. So ServiceChannel has allowed us to elevate our in-store experience. Now we have a much better in-store environment because things are working. For our frontline team members, for our over 1,300 baristas, the system is so easy to use. I compare it to taking out your phone out of a box and immediately using it. There's not much onboarding or learning to do because it's such an easy and seamless system to use. And that's what you want in a partner as you scale your business and grow your business.